This is Machu Picchu and an unusual red smoothie. And you may be wondering, what do those amazing ruins and this rare smoothie have to do with weight loss? A lot. As a matter of fact, the 4 unusual ingredients in this red smoothie you see right now on your screen caused my body to melt 20 pounds of fat at a rate so unimaginable that my doctor, trainer, and dietitian were all eager to know. The ancient secret I found high in the beautiful mountains above the splendid ruins of Machu Picchu. Yes, you heard that right. 20 pounds straight off the bat, and then another 60 pounds, freeing myself from a total of 80 pounds of useless fat, transforming myself from this to this without juicing, dieting, or exercising. And even though it may sound too far-fetched, in the next 6 minutes you'll discover the ancient knowledge, backed by rock-solid yet revolutionary science, that led to such a sudden and dramatic transformation inside this presentation. Ancient knowledge that quite literally saved my life at a time when I was at my very lowest. So low, I threw away all my mirrors because I hated how I looked and felt, in or out of clothes. Until now, I have only shared this ancient knowledge with my private patients, because sharing this also means revealing my own personal, humiliating secrets. So I am incredibly nervous, literally scared to death, trembling while I write. But I'm doing this today because I'm infuriated by the despicable, lying behavior of the big food corporations. Because they don't give a damn about how being overweight devours your self-esteem and confidence. I should know. I've been there. Crying myself to sleep at night under the covers for years because I felt I was so unattractive and fat, no one could possibly love me. Why should they? I didn't even like myself. So driven by pure frustration, for the past 15 years I've been a naturopath, specializing in helping people safely, sustainably lose weight. And I never would have thought in a million years a simple girl from Alabama would become a best-selling Amazon author whose books have helped more than 103,445 women and 95,989 men turn their weight and health around. I'm always surprised to see my inbox full of emails from men and women just like you thanking me for sharing these 4 strange red ingredients that instantly rejuvenated their youthful metabolism and gave them abundant energy to play with their kids and grandkids. But I have to warn you about the secret reason why the obesity crisis is exploding. Greedy, heartless big food corporations are now spending huge amounts of money on commercials telling you exercise more and all calories are the same. I'm also going to reveal 5 hidden, proven by science weight loss secrets published in respected peer-reviewed journals by honest scientists who can't be bought. So watch this free, valuable presentation to the end today, while you still can, and begin feeling happier, looking younger, and watching your body transform itself into a trimmer, leaner shape right before your eyes. That's exactly what happened for Jennifer in Springfield, Illinois. She lost more than 30 pounds and several inches in a very short period of time. Or even Steve from Louisville, Kentucky, who lost 40 pounds in just 5.5 weeks and whose doctor allowed him to go off his medications. Lisa from Little Rock, Alabama, used the same simple method you're about to discover to lose nearly 40 pounds in 2 months and look and feel a decade and a half younger. And John, a truck driver from New Jersey, lost 16 pounds in less than 5 weeks while on the road driving. Not only did he lose his unwanted fat, he feels better than he ever has. These are just a few of the stories I hear every day. And get this, when you hear the final weight loss secret, you'll see how a simple color change in my smoothie took my overweight, sluggish body to the cute, sexy, lean body you see here on your screen. And in a few minutes, you'll have the exact formula my patients, people just like you and I, use to lose every extra inch and pound of excess fat from our bodies while building smooth, lean, toned muscle and reviving our self-confidence. And going from this